URC round 18, the final round for the teams to get into the top 8 and move on to the quarterfinals has just finished. And there's a couple of talking points. So if you do like your URC, you do like your rugby, and you do like just talking about shit when it comes to rugby, this is the place to be, so hit that follow button. We started off on Friday night with the Stormers taking on Cardiff, and obviously Cardiff had everything to play for, right? It would have been great for them to go through, they deserve to go through, but just falling short with the Sasha Feinberg and Gomezulu penalty kick, they were there right at the end, right? So the Cardiff just fell out by literally 1 point and some points difference. But I feel like the talking point for this one is obviously there's 2 red cards in the game. Cardiff got a red card, Stormers got a red card. I did not feel either one of the two was a red card. I feel like every card that's being given, whether it's a yellow or a red, keeps on getting softer and softer and softer. Now Damian Willemse has got a red card and he misses at least 2 games in the URC. So that would be a quarterfinal and a semi-final if we were to move on. That is craziness, right? For something that I didn't even feel was that bad. Yellow tops. But anyway, sad day for Cardiff. Stormers are moving on. Edinburgh, with an absolutely massive victory over Ulster. I said there could be an upset on the making, but I've got Edinburgh. They know how to do it. They got in. Right? They'll take that all day long. They're moving into the quarterfinals. Massive victory. 47 points to 17. Then you had Munster versus Benetton for all the marbles. Right? And Munster, Rugby Heritage kicked in. They know how to do it. Business end of the season. And Munster will fancy their chances. I mean, they're playing guaranteed 2 games in South Africa if they go past the quarterfinals, right? They're playing against, the Sharks and then the Bulls. They love playing in South Africa. So they'll fancy their chances, right? And then Munster, obviously, then if they win both those ones, then they're in the final. And then they'll fancy their chances even more. Been there, done that. Brilliant if you're a Munster fan. Bulls destroying the Dragons, right? Some scintillating tries all over the place. These guys, they're playing some proper rugby. Lions, they'll take that all day long. Getting that victory, something to celebrate in the final round. Zebra, I went with the upset victory. It just didn't work out. Right, well done to Connacht. And then the Sharks and Leinster getting victories over Scarlets and Glasgow. Scarlets just sneaking into the top 8 there. They deserve it, right? It's good to see a Welsh team there. But these 2 games was a bit of a dull fest, to be honest, right? I was kind of hoping that Glasgow would upset Leinster, not because I wanted Leinster to win, but I didn't want the Stormers to travel because we start shit when we travel. So now we have to go and play Glasgow up there with Tuipulotu back, which is a scary thought. I would have preferred playing the Sharks here. Even if we lose, I just prefer our chances playing at home. But anyway, yeah, that makes up the top 8. So